it's Anson here from Weekend Garage. Today I'll be showing you guys how to program larger tires to synchronize with your speedometer, so there's no more discrepancies from your speed and what you're actually showing on your speedometer. We have stepped up to 35-inch tires by almost 13 inches wide, front and back. These are the TRX tires compared to the factory Rebels, which are 275s. As you can see, they're a lot beefier, but now my speedometer is not listening. It's the speed is a bit off and the TPMS sensors are on. So this video I'll show you guys how to program the diameter and tire size so it synchronizes. The TPMS issue I'll show you guys on a different video. Everything you guys need will be shown in this video and it's available on our website. So let's get started. So first off, you're going to need a Android device, whether it be a tablet or an Android phone. It'll both work. And then you're going to need this cable and OBD reader, which is compatible with the Alpha OBD app, which we sell on our website, linked in the description below. After that, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to plug it in. Now we're going to look under the driver's side footwell. Then we're going to look up. Now that we're looking up from the driver's side footwell, we're going to reach for these tabs right here and pull down. As you can see, they come out really easily, and there's two of them. They come out with a quick disconnect right here. You just press down and pull out. Same for this one. Press down right here and pull out. That's the slot it goes in. Right here, there's two. Now we're going to plug these two onto our ends right here. They only go in one way. So now that we have these two connectors, we're going to plug it in to our bypass. You hear that click, you know it's secured. Plug the other one in. It only goes in one way, so don't worry about reversing it. Now that you have made the connection, your setup should look something like this. You don't even have to go under here. You can just put your hand under the dash and make all these connections. For that, what you want to do is grab your Android device, hit Play Store. I don't have internet on this one because it's just for programming purposes, but you're going to search Alpha OBD on here, and then after that you'll get an app that looks like this. This is what it looks like once you have downloaded the Alpha OBD app. Alright, so once the connectors are all plugged in on the bottom and the bypass cable is installed, we are going to hit our ignition 2 times until it says run. Once it does that, the vehicle is now ready to be connected via programming. So next we're going to open Alpha OBD once we've downloaded it. And then we are going to choose the following. It's going to be a Ram 1500. And then we're going to choose body computer right here on the drop down. It is right here. After that, we're going to select control unit and then choose your year. It'll automatically jump to it. So let's say we choose 2020. It'll update you and automatically connect to the right one in year and model. So once it says connected, we're going to scroll on the bottom here and click on this right here. This tab with the hood open. So this one, once you click on the tab with the hood open, it'll look something like this. Once you're on this menu, click on select procedure to start. We're going to scroll down until you see program tire size. You can program the DRL locations, program brake controllers, and all these other cool stuff that I've done on previous videos you can check out on our channel. But right now we're programming the tire size. So we're going to scroll down right here. Program tire size. We're going to click on it and then select option. You can run through this list. If the tire that you changed on is one of these presets, you can just select it. However, our tire is too big to the point where it's not on this list. I think the biggest you can choose on this list is 35 by 12.5. Ours is about 35 times 12.8 or 12.9. So in that case, if you have an even bigger tire like a 37, you can do it right here. Enter tire size, enter tire circumference in millimeters. What you can do is Google your tire size. On the calculator.net, there's a tire size calculator. If you look after you enter your tire specs, ours is 2,764 millimeters. So we're just going to populate it in this field. 2,764 millimeters. After that, click next. So our previous was set to 2532. Now we have programmed it to 2764. So now, as you can see on the top, we are now programmed at 2764, and your speedometer is now calibrated to the new tire size of what we just programmed here. So for 35s by almost 13s, that was the spec. To confirm with your tire size, you just need to populate this calculator on calculator.net, and you'll see every single detail you need. So now theoretically, when I go for a drive, my speedometer will be synchronized, my fuel consumption and everything will be nice and organized. None of that 5% discrepancy or anything like that. On some models with the front and rear sensor, your vehicle might have an error such as the front and rear sensor not working. That is one of the bugs with programming larger tires on the Ram. Unfortunately, even if you take it to the dealer to program larger tires, you're going to get the exact same error if that's the error you're getting. So it's either you deal with the parking sensor issue or the off speedometer issue or the speedometer discrepancy. Even if you go program it at the dealer, it's going to be the same outcome, because what we have done here just now, it's the exact same steps a dealer would take to programming your vehicle. So hopefully this video helped you guys out on how to program your tire sizes on 2019 plus Rams. It's the same steps to program a 2500, 3500, 45, and 5500. However, the security gateway bypass module is actually behind the speedometer for those models other than the 1500, but the programming steps are exactly the same. It's just plugging in the bypass cable requires a little bit more work. So all the parts you need for this video can be purchased on our website right here, weekendgarage.com, and it's linked in the description below. You can just click on it. If you guys got any questions, you can leave them in the comments below. This is pretty straightforward. I'm pretty sure you guys can do it. You can also do many other cool steps with this, such as program the DRLs, trailer brakes, and a lot of cool modes as you've seen throughout the list. There's a lot of things you can do. I can't even list them all off the top of my head. If you guys got any questions, you can leave them in the comments below, or you can email us directly at weekendgarage@gmail.com. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.